guys, so today I want to show you a super quick, super easy bun tutorial. Ignore my background, we are still moving, still trying to get furniture and everything, but just had to throw that out there. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first off I'm just going to brush my hair out. And then I'm going to spray some dry shampoo from Bumble and Bumble. This is actually like a travel size version, but it's all I have. So I'm just going to do this to get rid of some of the oils, give my hair some texture because I did wash it, I think yesterday or the day before. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to take this paddle brush and just kind of tease my hair a little bit. Now this bun is going to be best for short to medium hair like mine. I consider my hair medium. So I'm just doing this all around. I'm not doing it super rough or anything, just a small little tease. And just make sure you do it all over your hair. So you should get something like this. Then you want to make sure you have a hair tie. And you're just going to put up your hair in a high ponytail. So now make sure you get it up high because you're going to be kind of finessing your bun a little bit. So I'm going to put mine way up high. And I'm going to smooth out some of these bumps. So then you'd want to take your ponytail and just kind of flip it around to the front. So you have like this little ball right here, this little bun. Grab it with the other hand and make sure it's small because you are going to tug on it. And then take your hair tie and just wrap it around that. And I'm just going to do twice. So now you have something like this. Then you're going to take both ends and pull. And pull. So you get a cute little bun like that. Now these two pieces, totally up to you what you want to do. You could just kind of move them to the back like this and tuck them out of the way if they really bother you. I'm just gonna kind of move them and pin them back. Sorry, I don't have a mirror in here. Okay, so I'm just going to pin them. And then I'm gonna kind of mess with my bun a little bit more. I'm gonna pin this back. It's a messy bun, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna take some hair and pull it out. And then take some hair up here and pull it out. And just kind of make it like a lot looser, you know? And if you need to put any pins in your bun, feel free to do so. Pull down like right here to try to cover the hair tie a little bit. And just kind of play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And here is what I am left with. So it's super cute. I love wearing this just with sweaters, or you know, you could dress it up, just kind of pin it more into place. But I think it's super cute and super fun. So I'm going to show you guys the whole thing. So here's the top. And then I'm going to turn you around. And here's the back. Voila! So that is it. Super quick, super easy. I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm going to try to do like a day in the life with a newborn. It's been a rough 2 weeks. He'll be 2 weeks this Thursday. So he's a good baby. It's just, they're a lot of work, especially when you're breastfeeding exclusively. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!